In crystalline solids, atoms are stacked in a regular manner. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The temperature below which certain materials are antiferromagnetic and above which they are paramagnetic is called A. Weiss temperature. B. Curie temperature. C. Néel temperature. D. None of the above. The correct answer is Néel temperature. In metals, the average drift velocity of electron per unit field is called mobility. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Ferrites have A. Low copper loss. B. Low eddy current loss. C. Low resistivity. D. Higher specific gravity compared to iron. The correct answer is low eddy current loss. In intrinsic semiconductors, the number of free electrons is equal to the number of mobile holes. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. When a material becomes a superconductor, its resistivity becomes A. Very small. B. 0. C. About 10 of normal value. D. About 20 of normal value. The correct answer is 0. In a piezoelectric crystal, the application of mechanical force will cause A. Plastic deformation of crystal. B. Magnetic dipoles in the crystal. C. Electrical polarization in the crystal. D. Shift in Fermi level. The correct answer is magnetic dipoles in the crystal. Consider the following statement: if an electric field is applied to an N-type semiconductor, but the electrons and holes move in opposite directions due to their opposite charges, the net current is A1 only, B1 and 2, C2 only, D3 only. The correct answer is 1 and 2. As the temperature of a pure silicon specimen is increased, A. The number of free electrons increases. B. The number of holes decreases. C. The number of holes increases. D. The number of free electrons and holes increases. The correct answer is the number of free electrons and holes increases. Semiconducting materials are all A. Elements. B. Compounds. C. Elements or compounds. D. Elements or mixtures. The correct answer is elements or compounds. Silicon and germanium atoms combine orderly into array of atoms located in repetitive geometric pattern. This pattern is called A. Crystal. B. Covalent bond. C. Molecule. D. Valence bond. The correct answer is crystal. In a pure sample of silicon, the number of holes and free electrons is always equal. B. The number of free electrons is more than the number of holes. C. The number of free electrons and holes is equal at low temperature. D. The number of free electrons is less than number of holes. The correct answer is the number of holes and free electrons is always equal. Orbital magnetic dipole moment is due to the motion of electron in its orbit around nucleus. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. In a homogeneous magnetic field H of a solenoid, the core carries a magnetic dipole moment m per unit volume equal to A0h, BRH, CR1h, DORH. The correct answer is R1h. The field pattern of a solenoid is similar to that of bar magnet. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. In molecules of ionic crystals, orientation polarization is 0. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. for a photoconductor with equal electron and hole mobilities and perfect ohmic contacts at the ends. An increase in intensity of optical illumination results in a change in O.C voltage, b. a change in S.C current, c. decrease in resistance, d. increase in resistance. The correct answer is decrease in resistance. A permeable substance is 1. A. which is strong magnet, b. which is a weak magnet, c. which is a good conductor, d. through which magnetic lines of force can pass easily. The correct answer is through which magnetic lines of force can pass easily. When subjected to alternating stresses, an insulating material is characterized by complex dielectric constant Rjr. In such materials, the dielectric losses under alternating stress is proportional. A R, B both R and R, C R, D R2. The correct answer is R. The classes of solid dielectrics are A B C D E F H, B A E B F H C D, C Y A E B F H C, D A E B F H C. The correct answer is YAEBFHC. A 200-turn coil has a self-inductance of 10 mH. If the number of turns is doubled, all other quantities remaining the same, the self-inductance will be A 2.5 mH, B 5 mH, C 20 mH, D 40 mH. The correct answer is 40 mH. A material which is lightly repelled by a magnetic field is known as A. diamagnetic material, B. non-magnetic material, C. ferromagnetic material, D. paramagnetic material. The correct answer is diamagnetic material. Which of the following is the poorest conductor of electricity? A. aluminium, B. nichrome, C. copper, D. all of the above. The correct answer is nichrome. The magnetic moment in units of Bohr magneton of a ferrous ion in any ferrite is A0, B2, C4, D6. The correct answer is 4. The relationship of hysteresis lost to maximum flux density was first determined by A. C. Steinmetz, B. G. R. Kirchhoff, C. Mr. Laplace, D. Mr. Ampere. The correct answer is C. Steinmetz. In metals, the thermal conductivity K and electrical conductivity are related as KTLL is known as A. lattice constant, B. Lorentz number, C. Lagrange function, D. Larmor number. The correct answer is Lorentz number. Dielectric constant of transformer oil is about A1, B4, C10, D20. The correct answer is 4. In carbon resistor color code, the third band is red. It indicates A2 zeros, B3 zeros, C multiplier is 0.01, D multiplier is 0.1. The correct answer is 2 zeros. Rochelle salt is a ferroelectric material. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Paramagnetic materials have permanent magnetic dipoles, but interaction between neighboring dipoles is negligible. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A piece of iron is placed in a magnetic field. A. The magnetic field will not be affected. B. The magnetic lines of force will bend to pass through the piece. C. The magnetic lines of force will bend away from the piece. D. Any of the above depending on type of iron. The correct answer is the magnetic lines of force will bend to pass through the piece. Ferromagnetic materials. A shows spontaneous magnetization below a certain temperature. B have resistivity very high as compared to that of iron. C can be used even at microwave frequencies. D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In a specimen of ferromagnetic material, as the flux density is increased from 0 to 2.5 Tr will A increase, B decrease, C first decrease then increase, D first increase then decrease. The correct answer is first increase then decrease. The heat developed per m3 per second W in a conductor having a conductivity and a field E is A WE2, B WE, C W, D WE 0.5. The correct answer is WE2. The number of valence electrons in acceptor impurity are A5, B4, C3, D1. The correct answer is 3. If Q is charge on an electron, R is radius of electron orbit and is angular velocity of electron rotation, the magnetic dipole moment of electron in orbit is A 0.5 Qr, B 0.5 Q22 R2, C 0.5 Qr2, D 0.5 Q2R. The correct answer is 0.5 Qr2.